Looking to build long-term wealth while earning passive income? Meet SCHD, one of the most popular dividend ETFs out there. But what makes it so appealing to investors? First up, strong, reliable dividend income. SCHD focuses on high-quality U.S. companies that have consistently paid dividends. And not just any dividends, growing dividends. That means you're not only earning income, but that income is likely to grow over time. And we're not talking about risky yield chasers. SCHD holds financially sound companies with a history of solid performance. Think PepsiCo, Texas Instruments, and Home Depot, blue-chip names that generate serious cash flow. As of early 2025, SCHD boasts a dividend yield of around 3.5%, which outpaces the S&P 500. And thanks to annual dividend growth, that yield on cost gets even sweeter the longer you hold. Reason number 2, quality over quantity. SCHD isn't just throwing darts at the dividend board, it uses a rules-based strategy that focuses on quality metrics like return on equity, dividend growth, and cash flow to filter the top 100 U.S. dividend stocks. This means it's not overloaded with risky or heavily indebted companies, only those with the fundamentals to back up their payouts. And here's the kicker, SCHD rebalances annually, ensuring that the portfolio stays aligned with its quality criteria. Compared to some other dividend ETFs that chase yield, SCHD plays the long game, and that's what long-term investors love. Reason number 3, low fees and tax efficiency. SCHD charges just 0.06% in expense ratio. That's $6 a year on a $10,000 investment. Practically nothing. Why does that matter? Well, fees eat into your returns over time. The lower the fee, the more of your gains you get to keep, and that adds up big time over decades. Plus, SCHD is an ETF, which means it's tax efficient. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs are structured to minimize capital gains distributions, making SCHD a smart choice for taxable accounts. Let's recap. SCHD offers consistent and growing dividend income, a smart rules-based strategy with high-quality holdings, ultra-low fees, and tax efficiency. It's a favorite among dividend growth investors and retirees looking for dependable income, and it can be a powerful core holding in any long-term portfolio. Of course, no investment is perfect. SCHD is mostly large-cap value stocks and US-focused, so make sure it fits with your overall strategy. But if you're aiming for income, stability, and long-term growth, SCHD definitely deserves a closer look. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest smart and let your money work for you.